In this demo, I am going to demonstrate how we can manage our Google BigQuery workflows just with the help of natural language using Icarus, which is Elliptic's on-chain AI chatbot. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. I'm going to open up my chatbot, which is this interface. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to register my MCP server for BigQuery. I'm give it the name BigQuery, and I have its contract ID together. So I have deployed the applet, which will serve as my MCP server for BigQuery, and I will register this. So registering this MCP server will mean that the chatbot will now have the ability to answer questions related to my BigQuery account, which I have already set up a dummy account for you. So yeah, let's see if we can do something with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to perform certain operations on my BigQuery account, which I've already set up for the purposes of this demo. I have a test data set, and within it are 3 tables. So I'm going to execute few queries to get some data out of it. Let's say to start with, query to, let's say, list all the entries, my, let's say, users table. Yeah, it just asks for the confirmation. I'm going to say yes. And then it executes a tool call. So now you can see it has fetched all the details of my users table, which is exactly correct as I can confirm from here. If I go to users table, I go to details, I preview, and these 10 are indeed the items present in my BigQuery account as well. So let me ask it a few more queries. So can you tell me the, let's say, name of the top 3 entries? This table. Let's say I want to get the highest scores. So I'm going to write a very general query. Let's see if it can execute the correct tool call for it. So as you can see, it has rightly given me the 3 highest scores, which I can also confirm from here. 100, 95, and 93 are the top 3 scores. So yeah, it is able to do the things pretty nicely. I can do a few more queries as well. Let's say, can you add a new entry? Let's say ID as 14, as and let's say I'm going to give it the score as 45. Again, it'll identify the correct query that it needs to do, and it gives me the response it has got. Seems to be right. Let's see if it has actually inserted the entry. Refresh this. And yeah, as you can see, there are 11 entries now, and this new entry has been inserted based on whatever we mentioned it to do. So yeah, that's basically the crux of what I wanted to show you. The entire uh, workflow for BigQuery can be maintained through just simple prompts, all in natural language, and that coupled with auditability and traceability, etc., that our platform inherently provides. Now let me walk you through all the tools that we have for this BigQuery MCP server. So I'm in my Block Explorer, and I've opened up the vital for the BigQuery applet, and I have create dataset, which creates a new dataset for you. And I also have a get dataset, an update dataset, and also a delete dataset. All of this performing operations, which they sound like performing. And we can also list all the tables in a dataset given its dataset ID. And we can also execute any query based on at a dataset level as well as a table level given by this SQL string. And this is the SQL string that the LLM generates based on our prompt. So these are the tools that it uses. And now if I go to pod, if I go to transactions, what you'll notice is I also have a complete history of all the transactions that are occurring on my platform, meaning I have complete traceability of whatever method that are being exposed uh, and whatever operations are being taken place either by the LLM. So this is an excellent tool to debug or have accountability of everything that is happening on the platform, given that you have provided access to your proprietary services to an LLM. So yeah, we also have anonymized transactions, by the way, meaning we can hide all the critical data publicly and still keep it verifiable. So these are the features that we have: complete audit history, very simple vital file that exposes tools, and a complete uh, under one umbrella. You have everything provided for you to very easily interact with your MCP servers. So yeah, that was all with the demo. Thanks.